This is the final part of the video. I took the first two movements. Remember, this movement here was originally cleaned in Mr. Clean Only with the soap solution, and I put it back in the combined mixture with the acetone, and it cleaned it up a little bit better, made it a little bit shinier. This was a second movement that was put in with the distilled the vinegar and a soap solution. I put it back in with the combined solutions with the acetone, and it made it a little bit cleaner, a little bit shinier. And again, this is the one that I put in originally, that put in with all solutions. Now this one was the one that I put in into the barrel, into the bucket with the belt sander to vibrate the water. Now, this movement was in really bad shape to start with. Somebody had soldered portions of the movement, and so that's why it's still a little bit nasty. But the solution with the belt sander cleaned it up pretty well, and I only left it in for about 10-15 minutes. If it was a good movement, it would have cleaned it up just as well as this movement here. So I did take some before pictures, and we'll show you those now.